Hey, my name is Saurabh. Welcome to Open Talks. This is Hacker 101 program. In this program, I'll teach about basics of hacking, which includes web application hacking, Wi-Fi routing hacking, network hacking, system hacking, OS hacking, and binary exploitation. This program is intended for those people who want to enter into the world of hacking and looking for a way in. By completing this program, you won't be able to magically hack every system, network, or website in the world, but you will be well on your way to pursue a career in VAPT, bug bounty, or hacking. In this video, I'll talk about information and information security, hacking, hackers, and different type of hackers. I will also talk about different type of interesting or one can say juicy information. Let us start by defining information. Information can be described as a form of data which is processed, organized, specific, and structured, which is presented in a given setting. When the data is processed and transformed in such a way that it becomes useful to other user, it is known as information. While data is defined as the collection of fact and details like text, figures, observation, symbol, or simply description of things, event, entity, with a view to draw inference. It is raw fact which should be processed to gain information. Most of the time, these information that are useful to some users are also critical and should be secured. To facilitate that, the field of information security was created. Information security is not only about securing information from unauthorized access. Information security is basically the practice of preventing unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, inception, recording, or destruction of information. Information can be physical or electrical one. Information can be anything like your detail, or you could say your profile on social media, your data phone, or your biometric. Thus, information spans so many research areas like cryptography, mobile computing, cyber forensic, online social media, and many more. Information security programs are built around three objectives, commonly known as CIA Triad. CIA Triad stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. CIA Triad is model designed to guide policies of information security within an organization. The model is sometimes referred to as AIC Triad to avoid confusion with Central Intelligence Agency. The elements of the triad are considered the three most crucial components of security. First one is confidentiality. Confidentiality is perhaps the element of triad that most immediately comes to mind when you think about information security. Data is confidential when only those people who are authorized to access it can do so. To ensure confidentiality, you need to be able to identify who is trying to access data and block attempts by those without authorization. Password, encryption, authentication, and defense against penetration attacks are all techniques designed to ensure confidentiality. Second one is integrity. Integrity means maintaining data in its correct state and preventing it from being improperly modified either by accident or maliciously. Many of the techniques that ensure confidentiality will also protect data integrity. After all, a hacker can change data if they can't access. But there are other tools that help provide a defense of integrity in depth. Checksum, for instance, can help you verify data integrity. And version control software and frequent backups can help you restore data to a correct state if need be. Integrity also covers the concept of non-repetition. You must be able to prove that you have maintained integrity of your data, especially in legal context. Third one is availability. Availability is mirror image of confidentiality. While you need to make sure your data cannot be accessed by unauthorized user, you also need to ensure that it can be accessed by those who have proper permission. Ensuring data availability means matching network and computing resources to the volume of data access you expect and implement a good backup policy for disaster recovery purposes. Now let us talk about hacking and hackers, as they are most serious threat to information security. Hacking is identifying weakness in computer system or network or organization to exploit its weakness to gain access to information. So finding vulnerability in CIA implementation and accessing information with or without the permission of the owner of the said information is called hacking. Now, hacker is a person who find these vulnerability and exploit to gain access to these system or information. So the people who commit the act of hacking are known as hackers. There are many different types of hackers, but mainly we divide hackers into three types. This is according to their harmful and useful part. These main types of hackers are black hat hacker, white hat hacker, and grey hat hacker. There is also expert hacker candidates known as junior hackers. These junior hackers type are script kiddies, green hat hackers, and blue hat hackers. Now, in this video, we'll talk about expert hackers only. We'll not talk about junior hackers. So let us start by black hat hackers. Black hat hackers are most dangerous hacker types. Their main motivation is to use their knowledge to gain critical private data and steal money from bank accounts. Most of the actions committed by these hackers are illegal. These type of hackers can create virus, malwares, and other harmful programs. And with these programs, they detect the vulnerability of the system. After entering the system by using the vulnerability, they can learn important business, personal, or financial private data. According to this knowledge, they can reach many private networks, many computers, they can destroy the system and manipulate the computer system's behavior. Black hat hackers are the one who are behind many critical cyber crimes. Next, we'll talk about white hat hackers. White hat hackers are the hackers who gain access to system with a view to fix the identified weakness. They may also perform penetration test and vulnerability assessment. They are the computer system expert who has an excellent knowledge like black hat hackers. The key difference is one is trying to enter and steal or destroy your information, and the other is trying to make your information more secure. White hat hackers are the guard of computer system and networks. Last but not the least, grey hat hackers. Grey hat hackers are the hacker who are between black hat hacker and white hat hacker. They mostly hack to gain critical data without informing the owner of the said data. Their behavior is mostly illegal. They are not black hat hacker because they do not use their knowledge for personal gain. But they are also not white hat hacker because accessing critical data without any permission is still illegal. Grey hat hacker are the most crowded hacker group on the internet. Now let's talk about the types of information a malicious or black hat hacker would be interested in. I call these information juicy informations. These information can be your confidential information like national identification card, password, birth certificate, PAN card, etc. Or they can be a financial information like financial statement, bank detail, login credential, bank practices, or etc. Or they can be your health information like policies and diseases. They can even be your personal information like your address, your phone number, your date of birth, your number of children, and all these information. These are the information that a black hat hacker would steal or a white hat hacker would protect. Now, this is the end of this video. In next video, I'll talk about web technology basics. If you want to continue with this series, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, you can ask them in my comment section.